Hi everyone, my name is Sam. I'm a service advisor here at the Mercedes-Benz dealership. I'm gonna give you kind of a walkthrough on how to get to our dealership from the Beltline. Once you're in the parking lot, how to get to the service entrance, and then once you're at the service entrance, where to head from there so that a Mercedes advisor can get you taken care of and get you checked in for your appointment. All right, so once you cross over the Beltline headed south on Rimrock, we're going to take a right onto Badger Road here. And to get to the Mercedes entrance, we're going to take our first right into the parking lot, the first driveway. Once you're in the parking lot, you're going to stay right and follow the curve all the way. It's kind of a left-hand bend here. Past all of the vehicles that are in for service right now. There's a garage door on your left that says exit only. Drive past that one to the second garage door on your left, right before the Mercedes showroom here. And go ahead and pull all the way up to the door. You want to make sure you pull up close enough so that the sensor reads that the vehicle's there. It'll open up for you. And once inside, we'll pull all the way up to the front of the service drive here, and somebody will be able to greet you at the door. There's multiple stalls to your left. If the closer ones are not available, go ahead and pull into any of the stalls to your left here. If none of those are open, like they're all full right now, just go ahead and pull as far forward as you can, and one of the Mercedes advisors will come out and greet you, like Matt here.
Good afternoon, Mr. Roberts.
Hey, Matt.
How's it going today?
Good, how are you?
Awesome. Just in for service?
Yes, sir.
All right. Looks like we're just doing 20,000 mile maintenance on the vehicle.
Yep.
Okay. Go ahead and shut her off. You can
Sounds
put the
good.
keys on the dash and come on in.
All righty. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from the video that we had today. We look forward to seeing you in the dealership here. Be sure to watch our next video on how to set up an appointment online, and we'll plan on seeing you soon. Thanks.